Hi, I'm Liz from TestGorilla. How good are your candidates' spatial reasoning skills? The ability to visualize and analyze various objects and spaces is a vital skill set for lots of different job roles. These skills are especially important in STEM fields. And with TestGorilla's spatial reasoning test, you'll be able to find out which of your candidates have the sharpest spatial reasoning skills. As always, it's easy to find this test in our test library and add it to your assessments. You can do it in just a few clicks. But before you do that, let's take a quick look at the test and learn more about it. This test assesses a candidate's ability to analyze two-dimensional and three-dimensional objects and space. It evaluates their skills in 4 key areas: spatial visualization, mental folding, mental rotation, and spatial working memory. Candidates who do well here will have strong spatial reasoning abilities and a good understanding of spatial relationships. They'll be able to easily visualize, analyze, and mentally manipulate different objects and spaces in their head. This test is perfect when hiring for mechanical engineers, chemical engineers, designers, architects, and other STEM-related jobs in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So how exactly do we test a candidate's spatial reasoning skills? Well, let's take a look at some sample questions and find out. The first sample question shows a 3-dimensional object and asks candidates which of the images below it shows the same figure from a different point of view. Can you figure this one out? Take a moment and try this question yourself. All right, time's up. Here's the right answer. The next sample question shows candidates an image of an unfolded box, then asks them which of the boxes below can be achieved by folding the unfolded box. This question really tests candidates' ability to mentally rotate and fold objects in their head. Does this question seem a bit trickier? See if you can figure this one out too. Okay, let's see what the answer is for this one. The third sample question is a bit more advanced. It gives candidates a set of 2D shapes and a specific set of instructions, and then asks them which of these figures they'd be able to create while following the guidelines. And the last sample question presents a sequence of images and asks candidates which of these figures would logically come next. The actual test goes on like this, with each question presenting a different type of visual problem for your candidates to solve. And that's a quick look at our spatial reasoning test. Make sure to check this one out for yourself in our test library and add it to your next assessment.